Good morning, everybody. I am Namrita. I'm currently pursuing my computer science painting degree in Lovely Professional University. Today, I will be explaining about the salon booking appointment using the queue system. So, let us begin. So the goal of this project is to create a salon booking system that manages customers who book appointment well as walk-ins. This system keeps a track of customers in a queue and process them in the first in, first out. That is the whole idea how queue works in FIFO manner. That is first in, first out. While also providing GUI interface for ease of use. So, some of the key objectives of this code is you can do the queue management because it keeps the track of customers that are waiting for the service. Next is booking system. You can book the services in advance. Next is walk-in handling, like people who had come inside without any appointments can be handled. And next is serving customers. That is moving through a queue as all the customers are served. Next is providing an estimated time, that is provides feedbacks about the waiting time. So this is the whole idea of the project. So now let me dive into the code. So as I explain the code, you will understand how this whole project works. So I hope you will enjoy my video. Here is a detailed expression of the code. So for the Salon 50.2, so first let me start by importing and initializing the setup. So first, let me start with code. So first, we have to import it from the practice library. This is used to manage customers booking in a FIFO. That is that is first in, first out. Now moving on. Now we have to create a portal, create an interface. So for that we have to import a module called as tkinter. Tkinter, tkin, tkin. Now, so tkinter is used for graphical interfaces. So we use it to build the front end for the salon booking program. So that is the first part of the initializing importing the code. So moving on, let me go start with the queue initializations. Queue initializations. So in this, we will be creating an empty stack called as queue. So this creates an empty queue called as the Salon queue. All customer bookings, both scheduled and unscheduled, will be added to this queue. So that is the whole idea of this queue. So let me start by typing. So this is an empty. This is an empty queue. We just have to add the unscheduled and scheduled queues into this empty queue. Now moving on. So now let us define the functions. So there are three parts of the functions. First, we have to define the parameters. Then we have to create a customer's record so that the record can be saved for the bookings. And next, we have to add the booking. So let me start. This is opening a definition. So we have to ask their name, their phone number, and what time is the appointment. Next, we have to create a dictionary called the customer to store all these details. For this, we just have to create an empty dictionary. Create a dictionary so that to store the customer's details. Next, we have to add to the queue. We have to bring so this is the second initiative section. This is for booking and appointment. So let me type it here. Next, moving on, then we have to work. So this is for appointments. Next, we have to work on people who are walking in without any scheduled appointments. So for that, we have to create same. Similarly, we have to create this one. We can handle it as handling walk-ins. This function is created for people who walk in without any scheduled appointments. So we can start by creating the definition. So this we can take the phone name and the phone. Next we can add similar to the scheduled appointments. So we can just copy this. Copy the whole sentence. For the name. So next is for displaying the queue. So in this we can add like displaying. So in this we can see who and all is already appointed. How many people are already there before our given time. So that is why this function is used. First we can add display queue, and then we can put and next we are checking whether the queue is empty. List equal to list salon dot queue dot queue. If not list, there is no customer in the queue. No customer in minutes. So this is the third part of the interview. So the first part is booking an appointment. Second part is handling walk-ins, and the third part is we have to display the queue. Next, we will see how to serve the customers. So first, we have to check whether the queue is empty. If the queue is not empty, so that we are initializing the statement called as the summon.queue.get. So it removes the first customer of the queue, and then it adds, and then it returns the next customer. And then we are printing the confirmation message. We can put customers not in the queue. Next, we are creating a window for the T-kind-of purposes. Right now, we have created all these things for the queue. Next, we are importing the T-kind. हाँ आप मेरा बंद कर are you shooting a video? Maybe like that. But once you sleep, no, just stop it. Yeah, yeah. फोर वीक करनी होगा ना फोर वीक तो हो गया थोड़ी देर बाद आप तेरे शूट कर रही हो No, right now I'm not doing. The video is running, but I will cut it off. You shoot it. Because I didn't take picture of the code. So I just. Okay, you are explaining the code. Yeah, but I have no idea what I'm explaining. Everything will be recorded now. Because I didn't stop the recording. Wow. But I'll cut it off. I have to edit. So I'll cut it off. You have to upload it. No. Tomorrow, 4:35. Tomorrow you have time. No, I don't have. I'll go for one-up celebration, do all the time pass and I'll complete. Record it. Good night. Good night. I have my CA tomorrow too. Still I am sleeping. I also have 2 CS. Because I was watching videos and I fell asleep. So I am sleeping. So now we have to import the teaching data. तो ज्यादा आप मैसेज पे आओ जो बोल रहे थे मैसेज पे So now we have to import the teaching data. So we have to make the main window for that. Import the teaching data as teaching. This is the main window. Start Salon. Booking app. Group is equal to, this is the rule. So we are creating a rule. So this is we are creating a root of the taking. Next, we have to display the title. Salon system. Next, we have to create buttons for different options. EK dot button root color. So this is button function. So if you open the Tkinder, it will show like a box, so where you can click it like a pop-up option. So that is the whole idea of the button text. Is equal to point web command equal to book dot dot gd ui dot ack. Similarly, we should do it for all the other commands. So in this, we can change the booking command, book appointment to walk-in. Here we can change it to next we can change it to similarly change it to the next part of this your display key. So this also we can change it as Q. Next part was server serve customer. This also can be changed to serve customer. So we have to close and call the statement. That is do dot main view. Next is we have to create a simple interface for customer interaction through pop-up questions. So first we can get this def appointment to the Tkinder. So this GUI, so using this definition, we can get basic information about the customer like name, phone number, time, address that is they mentioned in the above. We can get it like that. Name is equal to input. Vector name. Name is equal to input. So time equal to enter appointment name, phone, text. Right. Similarly for the walk-in. So these all these are created so that if you click the pop-up, it will show the following options to for the customer to fill in. two things can be noted. So now let us run the code. So this is the output, the desired output. So see, as you can see here, here you can book appointment, you can walk in, you can view queue, you can serve the customer. So first, let me click book appointment. You can see you can write the name, you can write the name, you can write the phone number, you can write preferred time. See, now the first thing is over. Now let me show you the second part of the program. Now let us do walk-in. So if you do walk-in, you can enter name, you can enter phone number. See, you can just walk in. Okay, that is the second part of the program. Now let me do it for the third part. So there is no customers in the queue right now. At the fourth is you can serve customers. That is also no customers in the queue. So this is the whole working idea of the salon booking queue. So conclusion, this project efficiency demonstrates how a queue data structure can be used to manage salon appointments and walk-ins in real time. This combination of Python's queue mechanisms with deep in depth. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Thank you for watching my video.